On the channel Danaya Kuajibo Garib Raz, we will show you the secrets of the world that very few people know. Watch videos about mysterious places, rare animals, ancient history, and strange natural realities. If you are interested in these secrets of the world, then subscribe to our channel and fill your mind with wonders.
Who lived on Earth before humans? Respected viewers, today we are going to tell you the greatest mysterious tale of Earth, a tale that belongs to millions of years before the appearance of humans. Have you ever wondered who inhabited this blue planet before us? Was it only dinosaurs, or maybe someone else too? In today's special presentation, we will travel back 4.5 billion years in the stream of time and meet the earliest inhabitants of Earth. According to scientists, our Earth came into existence about 4.5 billion years ago. At that time, the Earth was completely different. No oxygen, only poisonous gases, oceans of lava, and continuous rain of meteorites. It was a time when the idea of life itself seemed impossible. But then about 4 billion years ago, something astonishing happened. The first microscopic creatures were born. These were cyanobacteria that lived in water. Through photosynthesis, they began to produce oxygen, which today is the foundation of our life. About 540 million years ago, life took a revolutionary turn. It is called the Cambrian explosion. In just a few 100,000 years, the diversity of life increased astonishingly. The most famous creature of this era was the trilobites. They were marine creatures that existed in different shapes and sizes. Their fossils are still found all over the world and provide scientists with valuable information about ancient life. About 230 million years ago, dinosaurs established their rule over the Earth. They were not just huge reptiles. Some of them could fly like birds, while some lived in the depths of the oceans. The most famous, T-Rex, existed about 68 million years ago. It was 40 feet long and weighed 9 tons, a fierce predator. But do you know that alongside dinosaurs, there were also small humanoid creatures? According to some experts, this is possible, but so far, there is no solid evidence about it. Was there any other intelligent civilization on Earth before humans? According to the Sumerian civilization, beings called the Anunnaki came to Earth. Were they extraterrestrials? In the ancient Indian texts, Vedas, there is mention of Vimanas, flying machines that supposedly existed thousands of years ago. The Great Pyramids of Egypt, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and other ancient constructions. Were they really built by humans? Or are they the works of some other advanced civilization? In the Holy Quran, jinn are mentioned who were created from fire. Did these beings live on Earth before humans? In the ancient scriptures of different religions, many such beings are mentioned about whom we know very little. Today, we have covered the 4.5 billion-year-old story of Earth. Will we ever be able to uncover all these secrets? Was there really another intelligent civilization before humans? What do you think? Do you believe we are alone in the universe? Or does life exist somewhere else too? Do share your thoughts with us. Next time we will bring another mysterious topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz, and remember, reality is sometimes more astonishing than fiction.